Hi guys, welcome back to my channel A Happier Me. In today's video I will be showing you how I transformed my guest room. So you'll see how we have done a lot of DIYs in this room to convert it into this beautiful, luxurious, relaxing room. I hope you will enjoy the process, and if you like my decor and got some ideas from it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So this is how the room looks like before we started painting it. I have put everything on the bed so that I can get space to start painting. There are a lot of holes in this room because of various nails, and we had to fill it, and my daughter helped me do that. And here you can see that I am painting the walls. We chose two colors. One is a beige peach color for the accent wall behind the bed headrest, and the other walls were off-white. It took us about 2 days to paint the complete room. We also did several DIYs, including changing the color of this chair, and we reupholstered it. As you can see, it is nice and beige and it matches the room. So this is how the room looks like right now after everything is done. We added some plants and this cute tray on the bed with a book and a DIY art piece. And this is the new comforter that we got with matching pillowcases. And here you can see this bed got reupholstered, and we bought fabric from Joanne and used the fabric glue to put this fabric on the headboard. And this is a beautiful vase that we created using a clear vase from Dollar Tree, and we repainted it with spray paint to make it look more elegant. Also, this hanging Buddha artwork is made using Dollar Tree material. My daughter helped me put together this wall hanging, and I absolutely love it. It brings a very serene, calm environment to the room. Sometimes I would just burn a candle next to it, and I think it just fills the room with this nice aroma. And this is how the chair looks now. We reupholstered it using a beige fabric from Joanne that matches the room decor. It used to be red and it did not go with our furniture. We put a nice pillowcase on it, and these are the linen curtains. They are off-white and they look really elegant and make the room look bigger. And here you can see this macrame artwork which my daughter made using Dollar Tree ring and this yarn, and it turned out beautiful. The same piece is available in Home Goods for $35, and it cost us only $3 to make this. Of course, there is a value to her hard work, but that is something that she enjoys, so she made this for us. So I hope you guys are liking it, and this room has a lot of boho and neutral warm tones, and these are the two table side showpieces we made using Dollar Tree material, and I think it came out looking so elegant you can't even tell. And this is another comforter that I have, and I just wanted to show you that sometimes I use this and sometimes I use my light pink one that you saw before. So this is another look the room when I change the bedding. So if you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do write in the comments what is your favorite part, and if you got any inspiration, please share it and like the video. Bye.